algebra. If you are in class today, it is an assessment day on factoring. So you need to be completely caught up with factoring. The last assignment that you need in order to have completed in order to take the assessment is the factoring review, factoring quadratics review. The test is going to be put into Schoology so you can kind of see where it is in order of lessons. I believe it's after lesson 7, but don't quote me on that. But you'll see where it is. Like there's clearly a test after the last lesson. If you're at home today, what you need to be doing is getting caught up. And I can't keep stressing that enough. If you don't work at home, if you stay a week, 2 weeks, even a couple of days behind, there's going to come a time later in this trimester that's going to start really kicking your butt. There is not like an alternative or another way, or like it's not like the last 2 weeks I'm going to lift all the assignment prerequisites and you can just take all the assessments. Like the work isn't going to go away, and because the work requires you to understand stuff, like it's not a real quick, I can do this in a night kind of situation. Get caught up so that you don't fall further behind. Because that'll kill you. It'll absolutely kill you. The expectation is that you're doing everything while you are at home and while you are here. Those are still school days for you. So you got to keep up. Absolutely have to keep up. So if you are at home, then your test will be on Monday. There will be a new assignment posted tomorrow. So just get caught up and be ready to take the assessment on Monday. And I will see you then.